Teachers can choose to run individual student reports on submitted work. Click on the Reports icon from the dashboard. Click in the Report field to select the type of report to run. The options may vary depending on the resource. A student quiz report will show results for all pre-tests, progress and review quizzes for a maths resource, and the end-of-section quiz questions for all other resources. Selected resources will also display results of Scorcher quiz attempts. The colour key on the right indicates what each colour code represents. To view an exercise report for an individual student, select the Student Exercise Report or the Course Report depending on your resource. Select the class and student. Student exercise work for the whole course will be shown. Scroll to the required chapter to see the work the student has submitted. The percentage of exercise questions completed will be shown and the date the student completed the activities. If students have used the self-assessment tool, a pie chart will show their confidence rating for each group of questions. This field also shows the number of red flags they have raised against questions they found difficult. Teachers can click on one of the results field to view the work submitted by the student and to add comments. Comments added to the individual student's work can be accessed by students in their teacher feedback icon. The individual student reports can be downloaded as PDF or Excel documents.